in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do this really easy chrome bordered nail design that I think will be perfect for all you brides out there, or if you're going to prom or just wanting a really cool, elegant design. So let's get started. As always, we're going to start with a base coat, but especially if it's your wedding day, you're going to want to make sure you use a good base coat to keep your manicure intact, and this one's my favorite for that, and it also helps my nails grow really long really fast. Next, I'll be applying 2 coats of this soft, cool tone, beigey sort of color. So insert whatever color here that you want. If I were to do this, if I were to have done, sorry, past tense, that's weird, done this for my wedding, I would have used a blushy sort of pink to match my theme, but I went with this color because I feel like it's universal. And then I'm just going to go ahead and clean up the shape of the nail polish with my cleanup brush dipped in acetone. And once the color polish has dried, go ahead and apply a layer of matte top coat. If you feel like your color coat dried kind of lumpy, I'd suggest applying a layer of regular top coat, let it dry, and then follow up with the matte top coat. That's just going to make your manicure look a lot smoother and even. Now, this is the most important part of the design. Make sure that dries completely. For the next step, I'll be using a no wipe gel top coat, and this is a real gel. So if your polish is a little bit wet, for some reason the gel's heavier and it'll actually sink into the tacky polish and give it a really weird shape. So just go ahead and let your matte top coat fully dry and you won't have to worry about that. I'm using a fine detail brush that has synthetic hairs, and I'm just dipping that into some of the no wipe top coat gel, and I'm very carefully outlining the shape of my cuticle onto the top of my matte manicure. And then I just cured that according to the gel's instructions, and once that's done, I'll be using this really pretty rose gold chrome from What's Up Nails, and with one of those little eyeshadow applicators, I'm just applying that over top of the cured gel, and this is where it comes to life. The powder will stick to the no wipe top coat, but it won't stick to the matte, and that's how you get that really cool golden edge. And then I just used a big kabuki brush to dust off the excess. If you find that your shape is a little uneven in places, you can just go back over that and apply another layer and fix it up. But if you're happy with the shape, then just apply another layer of the no wipe top coat over top of the rose gold powder to lock it in, and then cure it, and you're done. I think this is such an easy way to add a little extra something to any manicure, and I love that you could put this over a million different colors and it'll still look really pretty and elegant. So unfortunately, I filmed a lot of bridal videos, but I was so busy I didn't get time to edit them and upload them, so I have a bunch more on the way. I hope that's alright, and I hope it's not too late, and I hope I can give you brides out there some inspo. So just make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. And don't forget, if you give this look a try, I'd love to see it, so just tag me in any of your pictures. I'll have all of my social medias linked below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.